Learning languages is perhaps one of the most important skills in today's globalized world. Not only does it let you travel and connect with natives, it also gives you a unique edge and opens up high-paying job opportunities. In this video, we're going to look at 7 reasons why, in addition to English, you should learn French. Number 1. A world language. More than 300 million people speak French on the 5 continents. French is the second most widely learned foreign language after English and the 5th most widely spoken language in the world. Alongside English, French is also the only language that is taught in almost every country in the world. Number 2. A language for the international job market. Knowing how to speak French and English is an advantage on the international job market. A knowledge of French opens the doors of French companies in France and other French-speaking parts of the world such as Canada. As one of the world's largest economies and a leading destination for foreign investment, France is a key economic partner. Number 3. A language for travel. France is one of the world's top tourist destinations. It attracts more than 87 million visitors a year. The ability to speak even a little French makes it so much more enjoyable to visit the country and offers insights into its culture and way of life. French also comes in handy when traveling to French-speaking parts of the world, like Africa, Belgium, and Switzerland. Number 4. The language of culture. French is the international language of cooking, fashion, theater, the visual arts, dance, and architecture. A knowledge of French offers access to great works of literature in the original French, as well as films and songs. French is the language of Victor Hugo, René Descartes, Jean-Paul Sartre, Alain Ducasse, Edith Piaf, Coco Chanel, among others. Number 5. The other language of international relations. French is both a working language and an official language of the United Nations, the European Union, UNESCO, NATO or North Atlantic Treaty Organization, the International Olympic Committee, the International Red Cross, and international courts. Number 6. A language for learning other languages. French is a good base for learning other languages, especially Romance languages, namely Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian, as well as English, since a significant percentage of English vocabulary is derived from French, like the words money, sport, and rendezvous. Number 7. The language of love and reason. Learning French is the pleasure of learning a beautiful, rich, and melodious language that is often called the language of love. French is also an analytical language that structures thought and develops critical thinking, which is a valuable skill for discussions and negotiations. Despite being considered by many as an intimidating language, probably because of its pronunciation, French is actually relatively easy to learn. Learning French is not only exciting and pleasurable, but also intellectually, culturally, and even financially rewarding, especially in today's globalized world. What about you? Why do you think we should study French? Let us know in the comments section below.